Good day guys, as you all know me, ExoMarkets, Nasdaq Ninja. So guys, if I can continue, can you please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So guys, I just woke up now and I thought of doing content to you guys. So guys, today we're going to actually speak about US30, Nasdaq, and what is it that you need to avoid when trading US30 on the downfall of the market, and what is it that you need to expect for reversal on Nasdaq on the downwards of the market. Because I know a lot of people and investors are always trying to escape in critical condition like this, and they will never go back. And some invested at the highest point, and which is one of the most bad thing I won't actually recommend. But you know what it is, guys, we are here to fix those kind of mistakes, guys. Make sure you join the new channel I just actually created. So one of the most important thing with the channel is that I'm trying to actually create I know a lot of you guys see me behind the charts, and obviously on other channels you see me vlogging alone. So I'm trying to create something that you guys don't really find from me. Imagine talking to a ghost. You don't know what kind of life I'm living, so I'm trying to give you guys the life that I'm actually living, so that you try to adjust and understand what is it that grows me and what is it that I wake up to. And in order for me to do certain things, I have to actually comply, understand? So if you can understand those kind of things, you're really gonna actually be me, because you can only be me by you trading only. You need to understand how I live my life and how restricted I am to do certain things. Like at the moment, I don't even drink alcohol for like 3 months. I think 3 months, 4 months, yeah. 4 months sober, no alcohol, no any substance of, I'm trying my best to actually push myself. One thing about me, people that are surround me, they know very well, if I say I'm not gonna do something, I'm not gonna do something. Basically, it's not like I was young, but at the end of the day, man, we gotta grow and start prioritizing a lot of things that are gonna grow us. Imagine drinking alcohol, waking up tomorrow you are broke. I'm not gonna be doing that, guys. For me, guys, I feel like I'm broke. I don't wanna lie. I still want more money in my pockets. I see a lot of money and I want more money in my pockets. So that's one thing that grows me and that builds me and that put me in a higher place. So that is why, guys, that the method of creating a new channel is just to give you guys my entire life, the bad and the good of my fucking house. So yeah, guys, let's go, guys. Let me create breakfast, guys. Yo. Yeah, and I gotta freshen up, guys. Yo. But let's jumping in, guys, and see what the day has for us.
So I have my screen here, screen there. So I like using all the screens, but now I just want to look at it on the PC so that we can do it like as quick as possible. You understand? So let me just sit like this so that I can give you guys eye contact a little bit. So this is what I see, guys, from the market. I see that the market have created like a low there in the bottom side, and it will come back and create the high and push to the top side. I think I'm gonna use this mic because I can't be putting headset now. So if you can see, the market have created a low here. So I always say, man, when the market is buying like this, you don't really have to enter anywhere here. You just have to wait for the market to create a low, and which we know very well that it will actually take out the high. And when it creates the low, you will see, like at this certain point, we did realize that this is a low. And then now it's gonna take out the high because the market has been buying, and I gave out the signal somewhere here saying I buy, and I entered. You saw on that video. And that's what actually happened. So I'm still holding, hoping for the market to hit this high. So basically based on yesterday's analysis, let's actually check yesterday's analysis. I just want to remove yonke into here. You understand? So yeah, let me try here and then just go to Titan Plus trading and actually show you guys everything on how. So when you come here, guys, you just click start your evaluation, then you fill up your details if you already registered. But if not, you're not registered, you can come here and create your account. Obviously, your details are known by you, so you're gonna come here, create your details here. So trading pulse Titan Plus trading, guys, your capital, your edge, it's actually a proverb, understand, where they're going to actually once you pass the evaluations, they're actually going to give you a funded account, so with I think I don't know, $46, you can get a 5,000 US dollars account, and then you're gonna trade those evaluation. You don't have to lose 5% of that account, and basically 5% is it's approximately more than what you have bought with, because I believe that, let me just actually go to the calculator and confirm with you guys so that you gonna be ready and you gonna understand what you're gonna be dealing with. It's crazy when you don't know what you're doing, man. So it's just 5,000 times 5%. It's 250. So this is the amount that you don't have to lose. It didn't come with 250. You didn't come with 250. So, and we have one step challenge whereby you don't have to actually lose one step. You don't actually have to lose one evaluation. Once you pass the evaluation, then you are once funded. You understand? You're jumping into the trading, and then we go. So yeah, let's continue with the market, guys. We're not here to promote brokers or pro firms. Yeah, man. We know, man, we're gonna be using Titan Plus trading. Understand? So yesterday, guys, I gave you a scenario. I said, this one, if it comes in, then it breaks and then it goes out and then come back and retest. So it did this inside. You see how beautiful the market is. They actually did that inside. So, but this doesn't have to actually, us defining the market never comes to retest. The market has to come back and retest at this certain point here. So what will define that is when the market breaks. Once the market breaks here, we're gonna be targeting it to the lowest point there. One thing about trading, guys, trading, it's a journey. It's a journey that you have to actually invest into, because if you don't invest in that journey, then we're gonna have problems. You understand? So you see at this certain point, then we understand that the market is going to be buying opportunities, and then we're gonna push to 60 minutes time frame and see what is it that I see. So basically here, guys, I'm still seeing buying opportunities based on the reversal that is happening here, and I believe that the market has to clean that high there at the top side. So this is what we see. So one thing I like from yesterday, we got the buy here, and then we actually hit the take profit. So here, guys, I'm telling you to get the buy again here and then push to this certain point. You understand? So we're gonna push to Nasdaq. It's the same thing. Nasdaq, we got the buys. The story is nice because it's basically all about us getting the buys yesterday. So here we got the buys here, and then we hit our take profit here. And if you can see, this one already retested, unless if it wants like a bigger retest, but it already retested. Sometimes if you want to add on Nasdaq, you just create something like this, but if it breaks, it's a problem. So let me show you if yesterday it was you. It's broken, guys, now, so it might give us issues. Let's draw it perfectly and see. yeah, it's broken. So when it's broken, it's an issue a bit, but we're gonna see. In a sense, so I wanna just one, two, and then trade both there. So let's come here and create it again here. And then I wanna see something real good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because like I said yesterday, I like it with first touch, second touch, and then the third touch. No, basically here, guys, it's our reversal, no other way. So we're gonna push to the top side, no other way, guys. So here, guys, it could be you getting your buying opportunities, actually expecting them to push furthermore to the top, and then we're going to break our high there at the top side. You understand? So those are the things that I'm actually like defining from the market that I can expect from now on to happen. And I'm actually like really, really ready to see you guys are making it in the industry of trading. So here you can see it's buying, guys. So don't come here and oppose the market. No, it's gonna be rough on you. And then German 30 yesterday, I just came and, and corrected this as a correction, and then I knew very well that this is just an impulse and correction movement and impulse movement that's gonna happen. Trading is like that, guys. You just have to know the rules of the market. So I'm trying to actually like give you a scenario on how this actually happens in trading, so that you understand if you basically knew. But I always taught you guys about this kind of things. I said the shape of the market defines the market. So that's just the shape of the market. And then here it's your correction. Understand? Consolidation. You can call it how you want to call it. At the end of the day, what matters is you getting the entry point. I don't know if to you guys it matters like that, but to me, I mean, entry point matters, man. I hear a lot of people speak, but I don't see their entry point and I'm worried. Are they making money? So that's how it is. You can see it's the same setup. This setup will always occur, and into the market, you have to actually try to be there and kill it. And then now we're gonna push to gold. Gold yesterday we took an L. We entered our sales it, pushed and came here, which was a beautiful trade. If you're inside, you saw it was a beautiful trade, because if you locked your profit, you could be fine. But I swing like proper profits here, and then it kicked me out. And then now you can see where it is. So obviously we want confirmation on, okay, what is it that is going to happen? Like we said in the definition that we actually targeting this place here, but obviously we have to be going up and down at the end of the day. So I feel like let's wait for the market to touch that place, and or if it breaks this low there, that's when we're gonna enter. You understand? So at the end of the day, guys, I decided to later on enter Tesla. So it's like, oh, let me jump in on Tesla and see what is it that I can get. So guys, remember, guys, this is not a financial advice or anything related to market, and I'm just trading the market for entertainment. That's what I do daily, and you can never judge me for trading. You understand? That's what I do. So basically now you see it's not moving. That's one thing I like about stocks, man. I think they will be moving after the market opening session, and which is a nice thing, man. Now we're just relaxing, we're just waiting for that gap to happen. Oh no, that's a flex. You see what happened in the past? I milked this one. So I'm trying to milk it again here, because I definitely see that the market is actually retesting from this point here. So from this point, I believe that the market might start pushing to the top side, and then we might hunt this high here. So those are the things that I'm actually like looking forward to. But the question is, are you going to hold until it reaches to that certain phases? And I must say yes. I have to hold. I don't have any choice. Me, guys, trading is based on holding. The longer you hold, the more money you make. That's one thing I realized. Understand? So if you can see here, I see here I'm getting my buying opportunities here. I came late here, and then I realized that no, man, some other things they define by us entering to the trade. It's not just us looking at it. So I'm gonna actually enter my trade here and then see. And then if I put my stop loss below side here, then I'm gonna be fine, you know. And then I'm gonna target the highest point, knowing very well that they're gonna be actually paying dividends as well, and which is something that I'm gonna be really appreciating for the fact of reaching there. So basically my ticket profit is like 100K, I entered 0.25. I checked the contract size, it was going like 100, and I was like, no, I can't open a lot size because it can blow the account. So let me open 25, and with the contracts of 100, it's a lot, it's a lot. It can push 100K from where it is. And the other one lot size I opened was 1, and it was saying that it's going to close around 600,000, and I was like, that's cool. But I don't want the fact that when the market go against me, we have 90 chances of blowing the account. So that was the fact, guys, So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate your time, your effort. You see, I'm trying to actually add content and change it as much as I can. So yeah, now guys, what I'm gonna do, guys, is obviously I enter trades. I'm gonna just freshen up and yeah, let's go, guys. Make sure you trade with Titan Plus Trading. Understand? This is one of the most beautiful platforms I've ever seen at the moment. You can see everything is just clear with you. So yeah, guys, make sure you trade with Titan Plus Trading.